Hello everyone. Today in the video, I am going to tell you only one step which will definitely help you to speak English confidently and fluently. Okay, dear guys, so let's get into the video without any further delay. And dear guys, this video is going to be the first part of this series. Okay, dear learners, so let's come back to the point. Hey dear English learners, if you really want to improve your English and speak English so confidently and fluently, then just follow this step. And I hope that if you will follow that step consistently, then what I believe is you will be speaking really wonderful English. Alright? So now let's start the point. What exactly that particular thing which will help you to make you so fluent in English? That is listening, that is listening English videos and listening English audios, or you can say listening in English, or you can say listen English. Now you might be thinking, like, what is the connection between English listening and English speaking? Hey guys, here I want to make you understand just by giving an example. For example, guys, your mother tongue is a Bengali. Your mother tongue is Bengali. So here you need to understand, when you were a child, when you were a child, that moment you also did not know how to speak your mother tongue. I hope I'm right, right? You did not know to speak your mother tongue. Then what happened? After 2 years and after 3 years, you became able to speak your mother tongue Bengali. So, how did it happen? It happened because of listening. You kept listening the same things for years, for 2 years and 3 years. There was your parents, or you can say there was your parents speaking your mother tongue, your brother is speaking your mother tongue, your sister is speaking your mother tongue. Everyone were speaking your mother tongue Bengali, and you observe the things so closely, and then after a period of time you started speaking in your mother tongue. So here I can say that listening has that much ability to make you fluent in English. But the condition is you have to do it in a proper manner. So here guys, there is one more question which may be arise in your mind, and that is, you can say that when I learned Bengali, my mother tongue, so everybody was speaking in my mother tongue, means I had an environment. Maybe this is a question in your mind. So now let me clear it also. Guys, yes, it is 101% sure and true that you learn your mother tongue because of that environment also. So here, in the case of English learning journey, if you will listen in English, okay, so what will happen? I cannot say that it can help you to speak English 101% with accuracy. I cannot say this, but yes, I can say this. If you will listen English, so it will clear your 35 to 40% of English learning journey, which will definitely help you to improve English and to speak English so confidently. So yes, guys, but the thing is that before starting listening in English, you need to understand, like, what are the benefits of listening in English. So benefit number one, guys, when you listen something in English, so it gives you idea, or you can say it gives you an idea of way of speaking English. This is the benefit number one. And benefit number two, when you listen something in English, so it give you, or you can say it gives you a quick revision to your learned vocabulary. Benefit number three, when you listen something which is in English, so it helps you to improve your vocabulary, because you know very well, when you listen something in English, so you don't know all the vocabulary, so benefit number four, guys, which helps you, or it helps you improve your pronunciation. And you know very well how much important Okay, how much important it is in order to speak English with accuracy. Okay, accuracy, sorry. So guys, it is very much important. These are the benefits, guys, which will definitely help you a lot. But the thing is that whenever you are free, for example, you are interested in watching movies or watching English news, political news, no problem. Just do the same process in English only. So that's how you can kill two birds with one stone. Okay, you can also pass your time and you can learn something regarding English, and which will eventually help you to speak English fluently and confidently. Guys, this was the only one and single technique. If you follow, guys, then you can check it after few days your improvement level, right guys? But yes, at the end, whatever you will listen throughout the listening, you have to implement all those things in your speaking. Then you can only expect the improvement in your English communication. Okay guys, anyway guys, this was all about listening in today's video. In the next video, I will be telling you other important techniques which will be amazing technique and will help you to improve your English. Anyway guys, let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye, see you soon. Once again, thanks for watching my video.